My name is Tamara Johnson. I work as an auxiliary operator at Calvert Cliffs Nuclear Power Plant. An auxiliary operator basically is the culmination of several watchstanders, and what watchstanding entails is pretty much monitoring all of the mechanical, electrical equipment that support the nuclear reactor and support the turbine which generates electricity. Just operating the plant. I'm just not a desk job kind of person. I like being out in the field with the mechanical equipment, operating valves, operating pumps. Temperatures would change a lot. You have to adjust equipment to compensate for cooling and thermal limits, all sorts of parameters and limits that you have to monitor and maintain in order to ensure equipment operability and reliability. An example, most of our day consists of preventive maintenance because we don't want things to break, so we have to perform tests to ensure that things operate as expected the way we want them to. So the control room will say, we're going to start this pump and we want you to make sure it's running fine. Well, I was in the Navy before I got here. So I went to a naval recruiter, and pretty much nuclear power in the Navy was the rate that had the most extensive training, the best benefits. So based on my certain test scores, they said, oh, you should be a nuclear operator. And so I got that training in the Navy, and I liked it. And so I ended up here. I've put a lot, this is because I did 6 years in the nuclear Navy, so this is my 7th year in the field. So that's rewarding. Just, you get into this sort of career, and that's what it is. It's a career. It's not something that you just kind of into, and you get in and basically you just move up. You start out as an auxiliary operator and you end up in the control room, and you just get more and more. You learn more and get more responsibility. And when you consider the responsibility that you have with the community, obviously you have to practice very safely when you're operating a nuclear reactor. There's a lot of responsibility there. So it gets exciting.